Caramel and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get this really simple, really easy, really quick. Anyone can do it, hard to mess up once you got the hang of it. You can wear it anywhere and any day makeup look. But without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna need to do is prime our face, except I don't prime my face, I'm just moisturizing. And for that, I'm gonna be using some virgin coconut oil. Oh. Why does this happen every time I sit down to film? Oh, it smells delicious. And I'm just gonna take a little bit, not too much because we don't wanna be oily. I'm just gonna apply that all over my face. All right, so I'm gonna start off doing, now that that's taken care of, I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony, and I'm gonna use that for my eyebrows today. When I do my eyebrows, I do them slightly different from how most people would do their eyebrows. I brush all my eyebrow hairs downward, and the ones in the front, I kind of brush them the opposite of the direction of the eyebrow. So this eyebrow, I would push the hairs more this way. This eyebrow, push the front hairs this way more. I'm just gonna dip this brush. This is the number 12 brush, ABH still. Very lightly, I'm gonna go towards the tail of my eyebrow, kind of starting in the middle. Trace the bottom of my eyebrow ever so lightly. I'm gonna do the same on this eyebrow, but this one is my wonky eyebrow, like it's my ratchet one. I'm just gonna pick up a tiny bit more product and make some hair-like strokes. So like that, barely even noticeable. All the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies. So I'm just filling it in, filling it in. And I'm gonna take the spoolie on the end of the brush and just brush through my eyebrows to make sure all the product is distributed well. So we don't want any harsh lines. Lovely. Now I'm gonna focus on the front of my eyebrows, and I'm barely even literally just tap, okay? Don't need that much. And I am just gonna stamp some hairs in the front, if that makes any sense. I don't even know if this actually does anything. I feel like it does. Yeah, it does. Now I'm gonna start on my face, and for foundation, oh, what is that? It's God's plan. For foundation today, I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Fit Me Smith in the shade 355 Coconut. Boom, 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 boom. Now I'm gonna take this foundation brush and just move the product around in circles all over my face. And now I'm going to use this Real Techniques Beauty Blender and just blend all of that out and make sure there's no streaks or anything. Make sure everything is distributed nicely. Just make sure everything's Gucci. Now for concealer today, I'm using my Milani Concealer and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Concealer in the shade 10 Golden Tan. And I am applying it using this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer container to blend out all my concealer. Beauty blender. Good. Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit in the shade Deep, and I'm gonna be using this color. It's called Nude. Ooh, scandalous. Right here. I'm using that to contour with. Perfect. Now I'm gonna take my Sacha Buttercup setting powder and this very much so smaller beauty blender. What? Ow! What the heck? Now I'm gonna take this Modern Renaissance Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm gonna be using this shade, this contour shade. Now I'm gonna go ahead and open up this Morphe 350 palette. I'm gonna take a fluffy blending brush such as this one. I'm gonna dip it in this shade, this orangey yellow shade, and we're gonna use that as eyeshadow today. I'm gonna go back to face real quick, and I'm gonna take this little blush brush and dip it in this corner shade right here and put it where you would put your bronzer slash your blush. Now I'm taking this crease brush and I'm gonna go into this shade, but like ever so lightly, so like tap all the excess off that one. And I'm gonna use this to contour my nose with. Spongy applicator, dipping it in this slightly yellowy, creamy white and popping that on the bottom of my inner corner. Now it's time for my favorite part, eyeliner. Real thin line, just to like, you know, add some definition. The liner that I'm using is the Physicians Formula Eye Booster. I'm gonna do a little bit of mascara using this Mega Protein Mascara from Wet n Wild. Highlighter. I'm just gonna take this little crease brush, this thing, and dip it into bronze and tourmaline. Just put a couple dots on the high points of your cheek. Use the finger to blend it out. I put some on the tip of my nose, right there. Whatever's left on my brush, I put under my eyebrow. Now for lips, my lips are a little dry, so we're gonna bring out the
God's gift to black people.
You could just leave it like this and pop on some lip gloss if you're feeling it, but I kind of want to put on some lipstick, and if you're feeling that fancy that day, I'm taking Limbo from ColourPop and putting that all over my top lid, and I'm just going to use it to line my bottom lip. Now I'm taking FBF from Purr, dabbing it on the center of my lip, and I'm going to use my finger to blend it out. That is all I have today for this simple everyday makeup look that you can wear to the store, to the bank, to the school. If you're still in that, I am. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you didn't, I'm so sorry. But if you did, be sure to give it a big old thumbs up, because we love the thumbs up, we love them. Go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, you know, the usual. Please follow me on Instagram. It'll be linked in the description below, unless of course I forget, in which case then it won't be. And I'll see you guys next time. Ciao.